highly competitive Miami Beach luxury construction market, every detail defines the standard of excellence. Today, we are at the exclusive residence, 515 Este Dilido, where reliable windows and doors led the implementation of high-performance architectural solutions, integrating advanced ES window systems as a strategic partner in the project. This waterfront residence overlooking Biscayne Bay features the ES 8000 storefront, ES 2020 sliding glass doors, and ES 9000 Inswing French door systems, all equipped with Solarban 70 glass. The result? A seamless integration of design, engineering, and performance that elevates the standard of modern residences in South Florida, delivering security, reliability, and confidence for both our clients and our contractors.
Everything we do on our projects, we take the highest care of providing, exceptional quality. And so when we look for subcontractors or material providers, it's critical that we have good relationships with people we trust and people we know deliver good products time and time again. And Reliable Windows have been one of those companies. We've worked for well over a decade at this stage. And we have a fantastic relationship where we know we can trust the installation and the products.
Our suppliers and contractors are a fundamental pillar in the execution of our projects, integrating the technical expertise and operational capacity required to meet and exceed the most demanding industry standards.